Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Iconic 281 4K. Come on inside, I'm going to show you this toy hauler. When you come in with the ramp down, you got two side-by-side dinettes that actually will fold down into a bed, or you can have tables there. You got a bunk up here. And then you got two nice recliners. And then over here you got a jackknife bed with a table. You have storage for your riding gear. And then you got like a U-shaped kitchen with a double door fridge. A pantry, got a 3-burner stove with a nice little spice rack here, an oven, and a nice microwave. Got storage above, Corian countertops. It's a one-piece with a nice large stainless steel deep sink. Plenty of counter space, and then you got 3 full extending drawers, and below the sink you got cupboards so you can put like garbage cans, paper towels. And then over here we have more storage for gear, clothing. Got a nice LCD 55-inch flat screen. Come on back here. More storage for the front side of the sink. When you come into the bathroom, it's got a nice corner shower with glass enclosure. Nice vanity. Got storage under the sink for toilet paper, washcloths. And then when you come into the bedroom, you got a walk around bed. You got cubby holes on both sides, full extending drawers on both sides, and also a wardrobe to hang up shirts. And you also got storage on both sides. Got a nice large awning, has LED lighting underneath. And then you have speakers with 2 big large floodlights. Got storage underneath. Power tongue jack, cover for your propane tanks, LED lighting on your nose piece. You also have a Onan 4000 quiet generator. The fill station's right here. Your plug-in for power. Got a ladder to get on the roof. Remove these cables. This drops down so you can drive your side-by-side or your quad in. Guys, if you'd like to see more on this Eclipse Iconic, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.